They said gold would make you rich, then oil, then crypto. Now, it's artificial intelligence. But is AI the next gold rush or just another glittering illusion?
Artificial intelligence is everywhere, from your phone to your finances. And yes, it's making people rich, but not in the way you think.
It's not about chasing viral trends or buying the latest AI stock. It's about understanding the game.
The internet in the 90s, social media in the 2000s, smartphones in the 2010s, and now, in the 2020s, it's artificial intelligence. But this time, it's different. This isn't just another app or tool. It's a complete shift in how humans create, work, and think. AI isn't slowing down. It's accelerating faster than any technology we've ever seen, from startups to Fortune 500 companies. Everyone is racing to integrate AI. It's writing ads, designing videos, building code, analyzing data, even generating new scientific discoveries. It's not science fiction anymore. It's happening right now. The global AI market isn't just growing, it's multiplying. Trillions of dollars are moving into this space, reshaping entire industries. Think about that for a second. The people who learned to use AI early aren't just employees anymore. They're becoming business owners, creators, and innovators. And here's the truth. Those who understand how to use AI. Everyone else? They'll be struggling to catch up. This is more than a trend. It's a revolution, one that rewards creativity, adaptability, and speed. The question isn't whether AI will change your life. The question is, will you be ready when it does? But here's the twist. While some people are cashing in and building entire empires with AI, others are burning out fast. The truth is, not everyone wins in this new digital gold rush. Experts are sounding the alarm. The hype around AI can be deceptive and even dangerous. Every day, new videos and gurus promise instant wealth with AI automation. But what they don't show you is the sleepless nights, the failed experiments, and the mental burnout behind the scenes. AI is powerful, but it's not a magic button, it's a tool. And like any tool, it rewards those who learn to use it wisely, not those who chase shortcuts. So before you dive in thinking you'll become an overnight millionaire, pause and understand this. AI isn't here to replace your effort, it's here to amplify it. The ones who win in 2025 won't be the loudest. They'll be the smartest. The ones who stay curious, adapt fast, and keep learning. They're the real millionaires in the making. Want to get rich with AI? Don't follow the noise. Follow the data. Learn the systems. Build something real. Most people today believe that getting rich with AI is a shortcut, a quick ride to wealth. They chase trends, viral tools, and loud voices on social media. But real success doesn't come from following the noise. It comes from following the data. Wealth in the AI era isn't built through hype or overnight fame. It's built through systems, through learning how things actually work, how data flows, and how problems are solved at scale. Those who understand the foundation, not just the headlines, are the ones who win. AI is not a lottery ticket. It's a tool, a powerful one, but only in the hands of those who learn to use it with purpose. Build products that solve real problems. Create value before you expect returns. Master the craft, understand the algorithms, and let the results speak for you. Ignore the noise. Study the system. Build something real. That's how wealth is created in the age of intelligence. Not by chasing trends, but by creating truth that lasts. So, can AI make you rich? Absolutely. But only if you treat it like a partner, not a lottery ticket. AI isn't magic. It's leverage. It's the multiplier that turns a good idea into a movement, a single skill into a six-figure business, and one person's effort into global reach. But it only works when you do. Too many people are chasing get-rich-quick AI trends, buying prompts, copying content, and hoping the algorithm blesses them. That's not innovation. That's gambling. The real winners are the ones who treat AI like a partner. They study it. They build with it. They test, fail, and refine until something real begins to grow. They don't just use AI, they collaborate with it. And in that collaboration lies unlimited potential. AI won't make you rich overnight. But if you build systems, stay consistent, and think long-term, it can make you unstoppable. Call to action. Stop watching from the sidelines. Start building your future with AI today. Learn the tools, create value, and own your digital empire. Because in this revolution, the creators, not the consumers, will win.